Once upon a time, in the quaint village of Willowbrook, there lived a curious little girl named Lily. Lily had big, bright eyes that sparkled like emeralds and a smile that could light up the darkest corners of the forest. She lived in a cozy cottage nestled between towering oak trees with her parents, Mr. and Mrs. Greenleaf. Lily loved exploring the woods around her home. Every day after finishing her chores and homework, she would venture into the forest, eager to discover new wonders. Her best friend and constant companion was a mischievous fox named Rusty. Rusty had a fiery red coat and a bushy tail that he wagged with excitement whenever Lily appeared. One sunny morning, Lily and Rusty set off on the usual adventure, but this time, something felt different. As they wandered deeper into the woods, they stumbled upon a hidden clearing filled with the most vibrant flowers they had ever seen. Each flower seemed to dance in the gentle breeze, painting the air with their sweet fragrance. Lily gasped in amazement, her eyes wide with wonder. "Oh, Rusty, look at this. It's like a magical garden." Rusty barked joyfully and bounded around the clearing, his tail leaving a trail of excitement behind him. Together, they explored every corner of the enchanted garden, marveling at its beauty. But as the sun began to set, a soft melody drifted through the air, beckoning them deeper into the forest. Intrigued, Lily and Rusty followed the enchanting tune until they came upon a clearing bathed in the soft glow of fireflies. In the center of the clearing stood a graceful deer with shimmering silver fur and eyes that sparkled like the stars above. She introduced herself as Luna, the guardian of the forest. "Lily, Rusty, welcome to the heart of the woods," Luna said, her voice as gentle as a summer breeze. "I have been waiting for you." Lily and Rusty exchanged bewildered glances. "But why were you waiting for us?" Lily asked, her curiosity piqued. "Because you are the chosen ones," Luna replied, her eyes twinkling with ancient wisdom. "The guardians of nature, destined to protect this forest and all its inhabitants from harm." Lily and Rusty blinked in astonishment, hardly daring to believe what they were hearing. But deep down, they knew that their bond with the forest was special, and they were ready to embrace their newfound responsibility. And so, with Luna's guidance, Lily and Rusty embarked on a grand adventure, journeying through the forest to uphold its harmony and defend it against those who sought to destroy it. Together, they faced many challenges and made new friends along the way, from wise old owls to playful squirrels. But through it all, Lily and Rusty remained true to their calling, protecting the forest with all their heart and soul. And as they roamed the woods hand in paw, their bond grew stronger with each passing day, proving that with courage, kindness, and a little bit of magic, anything is possible in the enchanted world of Willowbrook.